Hello friends, welcome to our channel Study Desk for You. Hi guys, in this video we'll see how to launch the web page by using the Selenium code. Okay, by using a Chrome driver. First launch the PyCharm and create a new project. And this location, whatever location you required, you can keep that one. Okay, I'm thinking to keep, I'm going to keep in the documents. Okay, this location I'm going to select, and then here Selenium Python. I'm going to mention my project name, and we need to select the interpreter here. I'm selecting as a existing interpreter has 3.8 Python 3.8 and create. Now our project was successfully created. In this one I'm going to create one package as basic, and whenever we create a package, it automatically this init file will be created. If this file is not present, then this folder will be treated as a normal folder. If this file is present, so that this folder will be treated as a Python package. Okay, now I'm going to create a class inside this and name it as launch web app using Chrome. Okay, and for working on the Selenium, first we require the WebDriver. First we need to download that WebDriver. Okay, launch the Google Chrome and search for Chrome Selenium driver. Okay, and click on this one, first link, and first of all check your Chrome version. Okay, in your PC. My Chrome version is 81, so that I need to take the 81 Chrome driver as well, 81 version. Okay, click on this driver version has 81. Okay, and then we need to download respective driver. Right now I'm using the Mac, so that I'm downloading the Mac version for the driver. Okay, if you are using the Windows, you need to download this one. Okay, and it got downloaded, and then extract it. Right click on it, click on archive, then see here this file will be generated. Sorry, I think double time it got extracted, and copy this driver and then paste into your any location. Okay, here I'm keeping one folder and then marking as drivers. Inside that folder I'm pasting it. Okay, this is a Chrome driver I have pasted here. Okay, and then now we are going to start the code. Okay, first we need to import the WebDriver from Selenium. Import WebDriver. First we need to create the object for our driver. Driver is equal to WebDriver.Chrome, and we need to pass here our path of the driver, whatever we have downloaded, right? That path we need to take. Right click on it and click on get info. Copy this whole path. And slash and Chrome driver. Okay, everything in the small letters. Okay, make sure that name is correct or not. Chrome, CHROM, Chrome driver. Okay, in the Mac we no need to keep the file extension name as .exe, but coming to the point in the Windows we need to mark this .exe file, but in the Macs we no need to give that file extension name. Okay, and now we have created our driver object. Now by using this driver object we are going to call the get method. Sorry, driver dot get method. Okay, what is the use of this get method? Means it uses to launch the web page, and whatever web page we required, we need to take that URL first. Okay, dummy point. I'm going to launch this URL, copy that URL and paste it here. Okay, and time I'm giving wait for 2 seconds and then close the. After 5 seconds it will close the driver object. Driver dot quit we need to use. We need to import the time module as well. Okay, now successfully we have imported our Selenium WebDriver, and then we have created object for our WebDriver, and then by using this WebDriver object we have called this get method. This is useful for launch the URL, whatever URL we are giving, and then after 5 seconds I'm quitting my driver. Okay, this is quitting means we are closing that browser session, and now right click and click on run. The browser got launched, and successfully we have opened our web page, and after 5 seconds this automatically will be closed. It closed. Okay, that's all. For complete tutorial, please visit to the Udemy link which is given in below description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.